welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to make a canvas painting for this festive season of Ramadan. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. Now let's get started. The supplies we need are a triangular canvas of 12 inches, flat and round brushes, acrylic colors, and a glass of water. Now let's paint the background first. For this, I am loading my brush with pink and white color mixed with a little black and applying it on the canvas. After painting the background, let's make some beautiful effect with cotton. Here I am using my white color for this effect. Now let's make a moon with the help of a chalk and a round object. First draw a semicircle and then make a moon with that. After this, paint the moon with a white color. And now it's time to make the lanterns and some hanging stars. Here I am using my white color for highlighting the details. To make some glittery hangings, I am just making few dots with Fevicol and covering them with glitter. And it's ready! I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. I wish you all a very happy Ramadan. Have a wonderful day. I will see you